Now, good morning. You're welcome to our class. Today we'll be treating difference of two squares. Now, difference, the word difference means minus or subtraction. Now, if you have a square, this is a square minus b square. You notice that these are two terms. A square minus 2. So the difference of these two squares is the general formula is that it's going to give us what? A plus b, open bracket, what? A minus b. This is the general formula for what? Difference of two squares. Now let's prove it. Let's prove it. If you expand this, a plus b, a minus b. If you expand this, you are going to get this. That is a open bracket, a minus b, close bracket, plus b, open bracket, what? A minus b. What do we have? A times a gives us what? A square. A times what? Minus b gives us what? Minus ab. Plus b times a gives us what? Ab. Plus times minus gives us what? Minus b times b gives us what? B square. Minus ab plus ab, that gives us 0 there. So we are left with what? A square minus b square. So we observe that a square minus b square gives us what? A plus b, open bracket, what? A minus b. So we want to use this general formula for difference of two squares to solve these questions that I'm having here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 questions here. Now the first question I'm going to solve using difference of two squares. I have solution now. We have 25y squared minus 4. Now 25y squared is not a single term. 25 itself is what? 5 raised to power 2. We all know that 5 raised to power 2 gives us what? 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is what? 25. So I'm going to replace 25 with what? 5 raised to power 2. So this becomes what? 5 raised to power 2 y squared. Minus what? 4. 4 itself is what? 2 raised to power 2. Because 2 raised to power 2, that is what? 2 times 2 equals to what? 4. I'm going to replace 4 with what? 2 raised to power 2. So in this case, 5 square y square. So I'm going to use a common square for both of them. So I have, what do I have here? I have what? 5y all square. Because this square covers y and covers what? 5 too. So minus what? 2 square. So both of them is in the form of what? Difference of two square. Applying my difference of two square now. So let me compare this. Assuming this is my a square minus what? B square. So my a in this case is what? 5y. My b in this case is what? 2. My a is 5y and my b is what? 2. Remember that this gives us what? A plus b, a minus b. So 5y all square minus 2 square will now give me what? This is my a. Becomes what? 5y plus what? 2. Open bracket what? 5y minus 2. So this is my final answer. Now, we will start this now. The second question says what? 8ab square minus what? 32a cube. So what am I going to do to this? I'm going to factorize. As you can see now, 8a can go in both 8ab square and what? 32a cube. So 8a here, open bracket what? What is left here is what? B square. 8a in what? 32a cube. What am I left with? 32. You know this is a times a over what? 8a. A cancel 1a here. 8 here, 8 in 32 is what? 4. So I'm left with what? 4a square. So this is left with what? 4a square. So in this case, this becomes what? 8a, open big bracket, b square minus 4a square. 4 is written as what? 2 square, a square. Because our 4 is written as 2 square. So I continue. 8a, this becomes what? B square minus 2. The square is common to 2 and a. So I open a bracket, 2a square. So this, it becomes what? A difference of 2 square now. So 8a now will now be open bracket what? B square, that was b minus 2a or b plus 2a, close bracket again, b minus 2a, because this is now difference of 2 square. So this is our final answer.